Ever dreamt of turning your spare change into a vacation fund, or maybe even that dream down payment on a house? Investing can be a great way to make your money grow over time, but with all the different investment platforms out there, it can be overwhelming to figure out where to start. One of the popular choices these days is Wealthsimple. It's a platform designed to make investing easy and accessible, especially for beginners. But before you dive in and start buying stocks, there's one question that might be stopping you in your tracks. Do I have to link my bank account to Wealthsimple? This is a common concern, and for good reason. Sharing your bank account information can feel like a big step. So, let's unpack this question, explore the different ways to fund your Wealthsimple account, and discuss the security measures in place to keep your hard-earned cash safe. Funding your Wealthsimple adventure, bank account or bust? Alright, here's the short answer. Yes, linking your bank account is the most convenient way to fund your Wealthsimple account and make deposits. However, it's not the only option. Here's a breakdown of your funding choices. The bank account bonanza. This is the most popular method. By linking your checking or savings account, you can easily transfer funds to and from your Wealthsimple account. Think of it like moving money between your digital piggy bank and your regular bank. The Interac e-transfer escapade. If you're not comfortable sharing your bank account details just yet, you can use Interac e-transfer. This is a secure way to transfer funds directly from your bank account to Wealthsimple. Just initiate the transfer from your bank's online platform and provide Wealthsimple with the necessary details. The debit card dash. In a pinch, you can also use a Visa or MasterCard debit card to fund your Wealthsimple account. There might be a small transaction fee involved, so keep that in mind. This is a good option for smaller, one-time investments. The big account boogie. Not quite. While Wealthsimple allows you to link multiple bank accounts, there are some limitations. For example, you can't link investment accounts, credit cards, or line of credit accounts. These aren't meant for funding your investment journey. Security first, keeping your money safe. We understand your concerns about sharing your bank information. Wealthsimple takes security very seriously and uses industry-standard practices to protect your data. Here's a glimpse into their security measures. Encryption galore. Your information is encrypted in transit and at rest, making it nearly impossible for unauthorized access. Two-factor authentication. This extra layer of security requires a second verification code in addition to your password when logging in or making transactions. Regulated rails. Wealthsimple is registered with relevant investment regulatory bodies to ensure they comply with strict financial regulations. So, bank account or bust? The choice is yours. Ultimately, the decision of whether to link your bank account to Wealthsimple is up to you. If you prioritize convenience and plan on making frequent deposits or withdrawals, linking your account is the way to go. However, if you're still hesitant about sharing your bank details, you can explore the alternative funding options like Interac e-transfer or debit card deposits. Remember, Wealthsimple allows you to try out their platform and explore investment options before you commit any money. So take some time, browse their offerings, and see if Wealthsimple feels like the right fit for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.